Hello friends, welcome to Mia's Spice World. Today we will make Methi Paneer Paratha. Methi Paratha is made with wheat flour and fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek or methi has a lot of medicinal values and fenugreek leaves are rich in magnesium, iron and calcium. This protein-packed paratha is good for people with diabetes. It is a complete dish and can be served with yogurt and pickle of your choice. It is also an easy and healthy dish which can be made within 15 minutes. You can even pack this paratha for your kids' lunchbox or take them as a travel snack. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end without skipping. So now let's get started. To make Methi Paneer Paratha, I am using 200 grams of fresh fenugreek leaves, 100 grams of grated paneer, 3 green chilies and 8 cloves of garlic. Use only the leaves of fenugreek and discard the stem. Now soak it in salt water for 10 minutes to reduce the bitterness. Then rinse it in plain water for 2 to 3 times and finely chop them. Crush or mince garlic and green chilies in a chopper, or you can also make a paste of garlic and green chili. Let's start making the dough for the paratha. For that, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil and a teaspoon of salt. Now add crushed garlic and green chilies, and to this finally add chopped fenugreek leaves and grated paneer. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Add water little by little and knead it into a medium soft dough. The dough should not be very soft. Here you can add quarter cup of curd or yogurt. Curd helps in making soft parathas. Once the dough is ready, allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into equal portions and make dough balls and roll it into thick disc with the help of oil or dry flour. Apply a little bit of ghee over the paratha and sprinkle some dry flour on top and start pleating. Roll out again with very light hands into perfect round shape. Parathas are ready to be cooked. Heat a flat pan or iron tawa. Place a paratha on hot tawa and cook it properly on both the sides. Apply little oil or ghee and cook for another 30 seconds more. If you use oil instead of ghee, parathas will remain soft. With ghee, it turns crispier. Once the parathas are cooked from both sides, take it out from tawa. Repeat the process to cook the remaining parathas. Serve this Methi Paneer Paratha with curd and pickle or with any sabji of your choice. Try this recipe and give your feedback. It will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.